పలుకు నీట కలిసే ప్రాప్తమున్న చోట ఫలమేల తపుర విశ్వదాభిరామ వినరనిమ. Where all children are destined to become something unique, something great, something to contribute to the nation. That is reason your children are in Radcliffe School. I'm very proud to say this. Once one father said his son he will take out for one outing, mall or someplace. The boy was asking again and again, Daddy, నాకు చెప్పావు కదా, you said you will take me. So dad was preparing some office work, some project or something. So he wanted some time. He said, I will take you, means again and again the boy was asking. He saw one on a newspaper, full paper, world map. The father has torn the world map and put there, and he asked the son, you join the world map and I will take you immediately to the mall or some play area. So the boy within 10 minutes he could join the world map and he could come back and said, Daddy, I have joined the world map. Father was really surprised. Oh my God, how this child of 10 years could join the whole world map. Then he asked, how you could do? The boy said, I don't know where is China, where is USA, where is England, etc. Daddy. But when you are tearing, I saw a man's picture on the paper backside. When I joined the nose, eyes, mouth, etc. When I made man right, I got the world right. That's what the Radcliffe School is trying to do here, making your children to learn A to Z, all the skills, whether it is physical health, mental health, emotional health, and also the spiritual health. It's a wonderful platform and opportunity for all the kids to experiment and learn. So when it is going to be small things, so once ఇక్కడ ఉన్న టీచర్లందరికీ కూడా నా ప్రణామ్స్, బికాస్ మాది డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్, ఐ యూస్ టు టీచ్ ఫర్ బీకామ్ అండ్ ఎంకామ్, దట్ ఈస్ అ డిఫరెంట్ ఇష్యూ. కానీ చిన్న పిల్లలకి చదువు చెప్పడం ఈజ్, అందుకే సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారు అన్నారు, తరగతి గది ఒక ప్రసూతి గది విజ్ఞానానికి పురుడు పోస్తుంది, తరగతి గది ఒక శ్మశాన వాటిక అజ్ఞానాన్ని ఖననం చేస్తుంది, తరగతి గది ఒక కర్మాగారము దేశ నిర్మాణాన్ని చేపడుతుంది, తరగతి గది ఒక న్యాయస్థానము సరైన నిర్ణయాలు తీసుకునేలా చేస్తుంది. అటువంటి టీచర్లందరికీ కూడా మై హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్. గురు గోవింద్ దోనో మేరే సామ్నే ఖడే హై కిస్కి పాగ్ లగో అన్నప్పుడు, గురు కే పాగ్ లగో క్యోంకి గురునే జో గోవింద్ కో బతాయా, అందుకే గురుర్ బ్రహ్మ, గురుర్ విష్ణు, గురు మహేశ్వర అంటాము. సో అటువంటి టీచర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఇంత 2000 మంది పిల్లలకి చక్కగా పాఠాలు చెప్పి ఇంత మంచి రిపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చిన టీచర్స్కి, మా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి, వాళ్ళ టీమ్కి కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. సో వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు మనందరికీ ఉంటుంది, వి ఆల్ వాంట్ అవర్ చిల్డ్రన్ టు బికమ్ గ్రేట్, టు డూ సంథింగ్ యూనిక్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ Radcliffe as acronym. First one is how to make our children great, simple, unique to achieve something in their life. R is reading habit. Let your children read, whether it is LKG or 10th class child. 10 minutes, see that the child reads something, whether it is newspaper, comic or small novel or Harry Potter, anything. జస్ట్ 10 minutes మీ పక్కన కూర్చోబెట్టుకుని వాళ్ళని ఏదో ఒకటి చదివించడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. దాని మూలన ఫోకస్, కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, లెర్నింగ్, రెస్పెక్టింగ్ టైం, రెస్పెక్టింగ్ పీపుల్, రెస్పెక్టింగ్ రిలేషన్షిప్ వాళ్ళకి అర్థమవుతుంది. దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బీ అ డిఫరెంట్ పర్సనాలిటీ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ రీడ్ సంథింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఓన్. జస్ట్ హెల్ప్ దెమ్ టు రీడ్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఫర్ 10 minutes, whatever they can, whatever you can make them sit and read. That is first Radcliffe law. R is reading. Then A is attitude formation. So when you're going to say attitude is, give them positive attitude tips, how to be happy with what they have. When you're going to provide everything, they are going to compare. My friend's son used to tell, he used to study in public school, Mommy, don't come to my college, always you bring only red Maruti. My other friends will bring every day one car, etc. So when you don't go for comparisons. Just give them the positive attitude, what best they have. Having a good family, parents, siblings, home, and sharing, caring. Attitude forms were just A, B, C. Attitude ఏంటి అంటే affect behavior. Mother says to the son, study. If you are not good, getting good marks, how? मेरा नाक कट जाएगा or whatever. Emotionally, she will tell. The child or the boy will study for 1 or 2 months, whatever he can, the emotion stands. After 2 months, he will be neglecting again or slow down in the studies. Then she will tell father, see this fellow is not studying, exams are coming, what to do? Then father bolte ki, the moment I come home, if book is not there in your hands, I will take the belt. Behavior change. स्कूटर या गाड़ी के साउंड सुनते ही बच्चे के हाथ में पुस्तक आ जाएगा and he will see show that he is studying etc. That also will last 1 or 2 months. So affect emotion, B is behavior will be only for temporary. C is attitude changes, cognitive is permanent. Cognitive change means आपके बच्चे को बिठा के when you are going to tell बेटा पढ़ाई कितना मीठा होती है. You can learn many things. You can enjoy education. Maths is very easy. Science is like a puzzle. I will tell you how you can make it. So a crossword puzzle, science के बारे में, maths के बारे में, छोटे छोटे things when you are going to introduce to your child. You will enjoy. Everything is very easy in studies. Have the taste of knowledge, the enjoyment of learning. When you are going to provide the child with the learning, beauty of learning, how things you can easily learn. Nowadays teachers help is there, mentors help is there. There are so many videos in the available how to make your child to be interested to learn with the cognitive. Cognitive means how he is going to enjoy learning and appreciating, repeating, reading, writing and listening skills. When you are going to develop, that boy is going to become something unique. When you are going to see the entries of whether it is MSET or IIM first, they say, మేము కష్టపడి చదవలేదు, ఇష్టంగా చదివాము, రోజుకి 10 గంటలు 16 గంటలైనా ఇంకా నాలెడ్జ్ నేర్చుకోవాలని చదివాము అని చెప్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాగ్నిటివ్లీ when you are going to create an environment so that they can enjoy learning and that's going to become learning is part of their life. And they're going to enjoy and they're going to share, they're going to do and they're going to become something unique. So after attitude, D is important, of course for all of us. D is discipline. Discipline, having discipline is painful, not having discipline is more painful. నేను వస్తుంటే చూస్తూ ఉంటాను యూత్ ర్యాక్ పికర్స్ రోజు కూర్చుని ఊరికనే టైం వేస్ట్ చేసే యూత్. There are so many people because the discipline is not given to them by the parents or family or the society. So when you're going to talk about the discipline, morning 6 o'clock the boy or a girl has to get up. హ్యాపీగా గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చెప్పి సంతోషంగా లేపండి. ఆ రోజు 6ంటికి నువ్వు లేవాలి, నువ్వు లేస్తే చాలా మంచిది. యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద సన్సెట్, సన్ రైజ్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెట్రా అండ్ ఆస్క్ దెమ్ టు ఫోల్డ్ దేర్ ఓన్ bedsheet and they are going to say good morning to everybody, whoever is their grandparents etc. and brushing teeth, small things, making their own plates etc. for the breakfast, getting ready with the school box or bag or etc. చిన్న డిసిప్లిన్ మనం నేర్పిస్తే పెద్దయ్యాక వాళ్ళు అబ్బా మా అమ్మ నాన్న మాకు ఎంత బాగా నేర్పించారు అని సంతోషపడతారు. సో దిస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిసిప్లిన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు కల్టివేట్ యాజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ లైఫ్. సో డోంట్ థింక్ ఆ డిసిప్లిన్ అనేది మన పిల్లలకి చాలా కష్టపెడుతున్నామని అనుకోకండి. వాళ్ళు చక్కగా సంతోషంగా చేయగలిగిన పనిలో అది ఒకరోజు వాళ్ళంతటి వాళ్ళు మ్యాగీ చేసుకోవడమా, సాలాడ్స్ వేసుకోవడమా, మీకు హెల్ప్ చేయడమా, మీతో పాటు రావడమా, ఇవన్నీ కూడా చిన్నవి నేర్పిస్తే ఆ డిసిప్లిన్ విల్ గో ఏ లాంగ్ వే అండ్ దే విల్ అప్రిషియేట్ యూ వెన్ దే ఆర్ గ్రోన్ అప్. ఆఫ్టర్ Z is మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. పిల్లల్ని కూర్చోబెట్టుకుని పక్కన spend quality time with the child. After coming from the school, they may want to tell you, a school mein kya hua, what teacher said, what their friend said, something. The communication is most important. That is making a difference. Expression. somebody is bullying or somebody shouted, somebody प्यार से देखे, yeah, what they are expecting, this communication when you are going to have with the child, that is going to go a long way. Marks ज़्यादा आए कम आए फर्क नहीं, मगर when you are going to have a good bonding with the child, sharing and concern with the child, that is going to go a long way and he is going to make a difference. So suppose C is apart from communication, it may be creativity. In one school, tomorrow is 26th January also, in one school, LKG teacher, she says, twinkle, twinkle, little star. And the children, LKG students, they didn't find anything interesting. Abba, same tune, my mother, grandmother, everybody has sung tune like this. So a creative teacher like here, Madhuri teacher, she has taken that one to Bala Murali Krishna, a Carnatic vocal disciple. And he has tuned like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little. Nobody found interest. So she has taken to Raj Kapoor's disciple and he has tuned Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Mera Juta bhi Japani, that also they didn't like it. So 26 January is coming, she has taken to Gandhi disciple and he has tuned like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Children, they didn't like this one also. Taken to Bala Subramaniam disciple and he has tuned like this. Tinkle, tinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above world so high. Hope you like that. So what I mean to say is, creativity is a skill. Everybody can learn. Whether it is rangoli, painting, cooking or embroidery. See that your child has some talent and that creativity you are going to encourage. Whether it is in sports or whether it is in studies or any other activity, see that they are going to be encouraged. That when you are going to have the talent, when you are going to nurture the talent, all these small anxiety, tension, all these things will not be there with the child. Always she will have an enthusiasm, energy to do something new. In Radcliffe, L is love themselves. First tell every child, yes, आप कैसे भी हैं मुझे बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. Every mother will like the child in spite of their limitations, insecurities. Yes? Yes. So when you're going to say, if I see in the mirror in the morning, if I say Durga, you must be little tall. Durga, you must be little slim. Durga, you must be little more fair అనుకునే బదులు నేను అద్దంలో చూసుకుని ఏ దుర్గా నువ్వేతో బాగున్నావు అనుకుంటే నైస్ కదా. ఈచ్ చైల్డ్కి టెల్ దట్ యూ ఆర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ స్మార్ట్, యూ ఆర్ గ్రేట్. సో దట్స్ వాట్ అబ్దుల్ కలాం సేస్. మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీ చైల్డ్కి పేరెంట్స్ చెప్పించాలంట, ఐ ఆమ్ గ్రేట్, ఐ ఆమ్ ద బెస్ట్, ఐ కెన్ డూ, టుడే ఈజ్ మై గుడ్ డే, గాడ్ ఈజ్ విత్ మీ, I will do the best. Whether it is exam or a day or anything, singing, etc. Give them the confidence, give them the self-confidence. Whatever they are going to achieve. Whatever the field they have chosen, love themselves. Our child and each person, మనం ఎలా ఉన్నా కూడా మొదట మనల్ని మనం ఇష్టపడితే మిగతా వాళ్ళని మనం ఇష్టపడగలుగుతాము. ఆ లవ్ అండ్ కేర్ అండ్ కన్సర్న్ పిల్లలకి మనం చిన్నగా మన చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తోటి మనం నేర్పించాలి. I is ideas for problem solving. ఇందాక మేడం చెప్పారు సైన్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్. ఎవ్రీ డే మనము భోజనానికి కూర్చున్నప్పుడు when you are going to take morning breakfast or lunch or dinner with the kids, see that you are going to talk about one problem of your office or somewhere traffic problem or environment, any small thing. Just ask them some questions, how we can solve it, how you are going to think. When you are going to make them think, sow a thought, it is going to reap a action. Sow a action, it is going to reap a habit. Sow a habit, it is going to reap the character, and naturally it is going to reap the destiny. So you are going to say, just think, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేద్దాం, కాఫీ చేయాలి, how we can make it, so we have to make Maggie, how 2 minutes water, etc. So that thought, that thinking process, when we are going to give it to the child, ఎందుకు, ఏమిటి, ఎలా, అది నేర్చుకుంటే కనుక ఆస్క్ యువర్ చైల్డ్, మనకి ప్లేట్లో ఉన్న రైస్, వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఈట్ నౌ, హౌ ఇట్ కేమ్, fields, fertilizers, farmers, transport, godowns, many stages. 72 people struggle to get our white rice, what we are eating today in the meal, and వాళ్ళకి చెప్పగలిగితే they will have a gratitude for the people, gratitude for the environment, gratitude for God. So these are small things, just make them think, ఎందుకు, ఎలా వచ్చింది, ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి. మేబీ దే ఆర్ రాంగ్, దే ఆర్ రైట్, బట్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లర్న్. దట్ ఈస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ ఐడియాస్. ట్రాఫిక్, పాపులేషన్, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, ప్లాస్టిక్, చిన్నది వాళ్ళకి అర్థమయ్యేది మనం ఎలా చెప్పగలిగితే వాళ్ళు తప్పకుండా ఆలోచించి ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్కి చేయగలుగుతారు. నిన్న శ్రీనివాస్ అనేసి ఒక ఆయన, ఎప్పుడు మనము బ్లడ్ టెస్ట్ చేయాలంటే మా ఆడపడుచు 75 years, చాలా పేషెంట్, 2 times తను బ్లడ్ రోజు టెస్ట్ చేసుకుని డయాబెటీస్కి డైట్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి. నేనంటే నువ్వే ఇంత అనిమిక్గా ఉన్నావు, 2 times బ్లడ్ టెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ డే, 365 daysలో ఎన్ని డ్రాప్స్ బ్లడ్ పోతుంది అంటే, yesterday one Srinivas from our Telugu state, he has discovered with a small sweat you can test your diabetes. So when you have a problem, you will find the solution. So just thinking about the problem, you are going to find the solutions. There is a problem, there is a solution. Every problem there will be solution అని మనం పిల్లలకి నెమ్మదిగా చెప్పగలిగితే they are going to come out with the ideas, they are going to come out with the innovations like our Abdul Kalam. They are going to, because in our class when maybe one Indra Nooyi is there, one Abdul Kalam is there, one PM Modi is there, one our KCR Revanth Reddy is there. Talent, they're nurturing their talents is most important in the seed form. Their talent and intelligence will be there. It is the mothers, it is the teachers who has to nurture so that they are going to become whatever they can. Next one is F is friendly nature. అంటే అందరితోటి ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండడం మూలాన it is going to connect us with the people. We are going to have a smile on our face. Smile is SMILE is self-initiative to learn and motivate ourselves. So learn and excel. So this is very small. When people are going to like chain, we are going to play or kabaddi in the team, Lagan movie or many movies for teamwork. When they are going to learn to live with people, share with people, and they are going to have a team like thing, friendly, that is most important, because tomorrow they may go to hostels, they may go for any examination or competition. Parents may not be there sometimes. They must know how to make friendly with others and how to sustain themselves. Most important. Next one is F is fitness. Physical fitness, as madam said, Jumbo. For me also every day yoga teacher comes, but in spite of that, maybe my the way I carry it is different. Whether it is Jumbo or a pranayama or yoga, walking, meditation, gym, see that the child is going to enjoy a bit. Fitness, physical fitness, what they are going to eat, their diet. Ask them to prepare on a Sunday diet chart for the whole day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, morning, evening. Say cheat day, Saturday, Sunday they can eat some pizza, burger. All other days green vegetables, fruit, juices, whatever. You make them to prepare a great menu for them and they will feel happy. Oh, one day healthy food, one day some like chips or other things we can eat. So fitness, for physical fitness, what we eat, what we do. Then mental fitness, whom we are going to talk, what books we are going to read, whom the people we are going to meet is most important. Emotional health is another important, because I'll be going to through Ramakrishna Math, Cherlapalli and Chenchalguda jail to give transformation classes to the prisoners. There only 25-30 years boys will be there, because they could not control their emotion of fighting or taking chain snatching or other things. They will land up there. So when they're going to say anger, then they're going to say jealousy,
when these emotions, when they are not going to control, that is going to give a problem. So see that the emotional control of child, how they can control themselves. Small tips you can give them, counting 1 to 10, taking a long breath or small things. So these things are most important nowadays. Spiritual health. If you are a Muslim, be a good Muslim. If you are a Christian, be a good Christian. If you are a Hindu, be a good Hindu. Whether it is Bhagavad Gita or Quran or Bible says, love all, serve all, hurt never, help ever. So very simple philosophy of life. I think I'm taking more time. Last one is E is enthusiasm. I'm going to end. Yeah. Create some enthusiasm for the child to learn, to go to school or to go do any sports activity, anything. When you're going to create enthusiasm, they are going to experiment. When they experiment, they get the experience. When they get experience, they will be expertise. And then naturally, they are going to excel in whatever field they are. So my dear parents, Radcliffe is struggling to see that each child have a bright future and they're going to become great. GREAT is share them giving something to others, like going to orphanages, madam said, generously giving something, whatever we have, make a habit to the child. And of course, reading, I said, is E is empathy for the people and attitude and appreciation for others. T is going to be trying new things, very simple. So I am going to, time is up? Yeah. So in a small, this is problem solving is most important. Give a small problem and ask them to solve. And now I am going to say with one small joke, I will end mine. In LKG school, the teacher says electricity. The electricity, the child could not pronounce as electricity. In parent-teacher meeting, the teacher meets the parent and asks, the child is saying electricity, what to do? Father says that is her capacity. When he will meet the grandfather in the market and ask, your grandchild is saying electricity, your son is saying capacity, what to do? He says, don't give publicity. So still we have corona or other mental health issues in the country or society. So depending upon your capacity, depending upon all the problems are like electricity, depending upon your capacity, please give publicity. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was an inspirational speech.